Do you need to add detailed, well-formatted content to your PDFs? With the Jotform PDF Designer's rich text editor, you can create professional content with formatting, images, tables, and dynamic form fields all in one place. My name is Corey with the Jotform, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use rich text content editing in Jotform's PDF Designer. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a template that I want to use. And I'm going to go with the strategic plan template. So I'm going to click on use template. And that's going to bring us directly into our PDF designer. Now, the first thing I want to do is I actually want to rename the PDF. So up here at the top left, we're going to click these three dots and I'm going to click on rename. And we're actually going to keep the strategic plan. And let's just replace template with 2026. There we go. Now on the left-hand side, what you're going to see is our Add Element panel. And at the top, you'll see that we have two different tabs. We have the Basic Elements and we have the Form Fields. So the Basic Elements tab contains your layout and your design elements that help you structure your document. And inside of the Form Fields tab, this contains the fields connected to your submission data that can be inserted into your PDF automatically. Now, if we jump back inside of Basic Elements here, you'll find the common things like the text, the heading, image, line, signature, empty space, section, box, page break, and logo. But for today, we are going to focus on the text element, which includes a powerful, rich text editor for creating fully formatted content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop this text element, and I can drop it anywhere inside of my document. But let's say that I want to place it right here. I'll just go ahead and drop it. Now we can double click to edit this information. And what you're looking at right here is the rich text editor. And this gives you everything that you need to build rich professional document content without leaving the PDF designer. Across the top here, you'll find formatting tools for font size, headings, bold, italic, underline, text color, highlighting, alignment, bullet lists, and numbered lists. Now, these formatting options, they make it easy to create clean, structured paragraphs for reports, proposals, agreements, and other business documents. Now, the Formats menu that you see here lets you quickly apply predefined text styles throughout your document. And the fields right next to it, this menu allows you to insert dynamic form fields directly into your content. For example, let's insert the company name. Now, when someone submits your form, this placeholder is automatically replaced with their actual response, creating a natural, personalized paragraph. You can also insert tables directly from the toolbar here. Then we can simply choose the number of rows and columns to organize structured information such as summaries, schedules, lists, or itemized data. For example, if I do a 5x4 and I click it, that is automatically added right there for us to use. Not only that, the toolbar also lets you insert hyperlinks, images, and it even lets you switch to HTML view for more advanced formatting when needed. Now, this flexibility allows you to combine formatted text, tables, images, links, and dynamic form fields within a single content block. And then once you're happy with everything and all of your content, all you have to do is click on Save, and that's going to add it here inside of your PDF wherever you placed that text element. And back inside of the document, you can reposition this text element anywhere on the page by simply dragging it and dropping it into place. Let's say, for example, we wanted to move down the page here and then put it right there. And we just drop it. And that's all we have to do. Then we can click on that text element once again. And from here, we can click on the gear icon. And that's going to bring back up that rich text editor so we can make changes if we need to. If I close out of this, right next to the gear icon is the duplicate block action, where we can duplicate that block so that we can reuse the same formatting elsewhere inside of our document. Or we can go ahead and delete it if we no longer need it. And once you are finished, you can turn on preview up here at the top right. to see exactly how your rich text content appears inside of your final PDF. And this lets you verify the formatting, personalized content, images, tables, spacing, and overall layout before sharing or printing your document. So whether you are creating strategic plans, reports, proposals, contracts, or other business documents, the Rich Text Editor makes it easy to build polished, content-rich PDFs. And that's how you can use rich text content editing in Jotform PDF Designer. You can create beautifully formatted content with text, images, tables, hyperlinks, and dynamic form fields, all without leaving the editor. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.